In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Heymarket with HubSpot step by step. If you're looking to connect your messaging platform with your CRM so you can streamline conversations, manage contacts more efficiently, and keep everything in sync, this tutorial will walk you through the entire setup process in just a few minutes. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if you find this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your HubSpot dashboard, go to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar within HubSpot, click into it and type in All Integrations. As you start typing, HubSpot will show suggestions in the dropdown. Go ahead and click on the option that says All Integrations. This will take you to the HubSpot app marketplace, where you can browse and manage integrations connected to your account. Now that you're inside the integrations marketplace, the next step is to find Heymarket specifically. At the top of the marketplace page, you'll see another search bar that allows you to search for apps. Click into that search bar and type Heymarket. Make sure you spell it correctly so it appears in the results. Once you type Heymarket, you should see it appear in the search results list. Click on the Heymarket integration to open its details page. This page will give you an overview of what the integration does, including features like syncing contacts, managing conversations, and improving communication workflows between HubSpot and Heymarket. It's always a good idea to quickly review the information on this page so you understand what permissions are required and what data will be shared between the two platforms. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button that says Install App or Install and Setup. Click on that button to begin the installation process. HubSpot may prompt you to confirm your account, or choose which HubSpot account you want to connect if you manage multiple accounts. Select the correct account and continue. At this stage, you'll be guided through the authorization process. This typically involves logging into your Heymarket account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Heymarket credentials and follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Heymarket and HubSpot. Make sure you carefully review the permissions being requested so you understand what access is being granted. After you approve the permissions, HubSpot and Heymarket will begin connecting. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once the integration is successfully installed, you'll see a confirmation message inside HubSpot letting you know that Heymarket has been connected. From here, you can move into the setup configuration. Depending on your workflow, you may need to choose how contacts sync between platforms, decide whether conversations automatically log to contact records, and configure any automation settings that fit your business needs. Take a few minutes to go through these settings carefully so everything works exactly the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Heymarket with HubSpot. Now your messaging and CRM can work together seamlessly, helping you keep track of conversations, improve response times, and manage customer relationships more effectively. If this video helped you integrate Heymarket with HubSpot, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. I post simple, step-by-step guides to help you get the most out of your software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.